Wash hands thoroughly with soap. Insert the membrane into the valve base and press in firmly. Put the valve over the valve base. The arrows must line up. Insert the valve base into the outer shell. When doing so, fit the semicircular tabs of the funnel into the semicircular slots of the outer shell. Firmly put the membrane over the edge of the round opening of the outer shell. Insert the breast shell and align for the opening. Put the edge of the breast shell over the edge of the outer shell and press down firmly. The valve is parallel to the lines. Firmly press the membrane cap onto the outer shell. To avoid accidental kinking of the tubes under the closing, which might diminish suction, the membrane caps may be turned such that the tube entries are oriented towards each other. Connect the one side of the tube without a tube connector to the membrane cap. Connect the other side of the tube to the breast pump using the tube connector. Assemble and connect the second collection cup in the same way. Position the nipple in the center of the funnel. If necessary, adjust the size of the funnel using a breast shell insert, or use a different size of breast shell. The collection cup should not be too snug in the bra. If necessary, loosen the bra straps or use a bra strap extension. To turn on and off your Ardo Alyssa, touch the on-off button gently for 2 seconds. Stimulation mode. Fast cycle and no vacuum, get the breast milk flowing or trigger the let-down reflex. Expression mode. Slow cycle and high comfortable vacuum for efficient expressing of breast milk after triggering the let-down reflex. Adjust the vacuum and the cycle to your own sensitivity. Tap the Memory Plus button at the end of pumping. As confirmation, you will hear an acoustic signal. The button will light up and the breast pump will automatically switch off. Switch on the breast pump. You will now pump directly with your saved data. The Memory Plus key will flash slowly. Automatic power pumping. Predefined 1-hour interval pumping imitates cluster feeding. You can also easily control and operate your Ardo Alyssa breast pump via the app. The My Ardo app is available for free. The serial number or code requested on the screen is located on the bottom of the Ardo Alyssa. After pumping, switch off the Ardo Alyssa and carefully disconnect the tubes. Carefully remove the collection cups from the bra and put them down level. Disconnect the tubes from the collection cups by holding the membrane cap firmly. Decant the milk through the opening in the collection cup into a provided milk bottle.